So in this video, I will show you how to turn on restricted mode on TikTok. So the steps are so simple to follow. After you open your TikTok app, all you have to do now, go to your profile at the bottom right side. After you open up your profile, all you have to do now, go to this menu at the top right side. After you open the menu, go to this settings and privacy. After you open up your settings and privacy, scroll to down and tap on this section which says this one, content and preference. Content preferences, tap on it. After you open up this section, all you have to do now, tap on this second section which says restricted mode. This one, tap on it. So under this restricted mode, as you can see now, here it says restricted mode off. So now if you want to just turn it on, all you have to do now, tap on this turn on option, this one. So now it will ask you to set a password for your restricted mode. So I'll just tap on it, type in my password. So tap on this next button. It will ask you to confirm your password and tap on this set button. So guys, that's it guys on how to turn on restricted mode on TikTok. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching guys.